Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can turn off two-factor authentication on Instagram account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now, at the bottom, you're going to find different icons. Go ahead and click on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. After you land to your profile page, here at the top right corner, you will find 3 bars. Click on it. Now head towards the option of Account Center. Now navigate to the option of Password and Security. Open it. Now head towards the option of Two-Factor Authentication. Now click on your Instagram account. If you have enabled Two-Factor Authentication, it's going to appear in this page. Now head towards the option that you have chosen for two-factor authentication. I have used SMS or WhatsApp for two-factor authentication. If you also use SMS or WhatsApp, you will get this kind of option. Or in the case you have used Authenticator app, you'll see the option of Authenticator app option over here. Now what you have to do is to go for this option. Turn off two-factor authentication, click on Turn Off, and with that, you have just turned off two-factor authentication on your Instagram account. So that's basically how you can turn off two-factor authentication on Instagram account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.